Let's talk about cellular respiration. One of life's fundamental processes is energy transformation, and all organisms, every single cell, must accomplish cell respiration in some form or other. What our cells accomplish in cell respiration is like taking fuel molecules, such as sugars, and releasing chemical bond energy from those fuels in a way that produces ATP by linking a phosphate group to ADP. ATP molecules act just like energy money for cells because the hydrolysis of ATP releases just the right amount of energy to a unit of cell work, something like pumping something across the membrane or building a chain of molecules, as in making a protein. So how do we use fuel molecules to make ATP? Let's look at the process. Whoa, that's a lot more than we need to know. Let's look at the overall process of cellular respiration. When all those carbon-carbon bonds and carbon-hydrogen bonds in glucose are fully oxidized to make carbon dioxide, lots of energy is released. We don't want all that energy released as heat. What we need is a series of small, controlled reactions so we can trap the energy released from sugar and use it to build ATP. This is cellular respiration. The function of cellular respiration is to make ATP. So there are really three stories going on at once in the process of cellular respiration. The first is an energy story. We're releasing energy from sugar in exergonic processes and using it to make ATP, an endergonic process. These are then energy-coupled reactions. These energy transformations are not totally efficient. Some of the energy, some useful energy is lost as heat, but a good amount of ATP can be made. The second story is a redox story, a series of oxidation reduction steps that oxidize sugar and release energy. As we're going to see in the entire process, there are actually many small oxidation reduction steps along the way that involve hydrogen carriers like NAD and electron transport carriers like cytochromes. The third is the fuel story. Cellular respiration can use carbohydrates to make ATP, beginning with the set of reactions known as glycolysis, or cells can use the products from fatty acids to make ATP in the reactions known as the Krebs cycle. Cells that are starving can even plug amino acids into cellular respiration. The use of different types of fuels is regulated by the cell, so under some conditions they metabolize glucose, and on others they metabolize the hydrocarbon chain in fats and oils. No matter what the initial fuel is, the result of cellular respiration is the production of ATP by phosphorylation in energy-coupled reactions.